G'day everybody, welcome back to another episode of Crafted by Tim. Or should I say good night, because it has been an absolutely killer of a day. But anyway, let me show you what we did today. So this is as far as we've gotten. We started off with, wow, it's actually still warm. We started off with a 10 by 50 mil piece of tubing, and we basically, and this is 195 millimeters long, and down here what we've done is we've just cut out we cut down a section, cut out a section, cut off the two sides, and then just re-welded that back down. So we get an extra 20 mil. This is our little jack here. So yes, this is a pump bottle jack. So it may or may not work for blacksmithing. I am hoping that it will work for blacksmithing, but I'm not entirely sure. Anyway, that goes in there like that. And the general idea is that we're going to have two more pieces of this angle lamp to go on the other two sides. They go up about 40 mil. And then I've got some, not quite this square tube, but very similar square tube. And we're basically going to cut down 185 millimeter lengths. And we need 5 of them for each stack. We're going to have 2 stacks. One is going to be welded solid to the top, and I'm going to try and I'm just going to weld the absolute hell out of it, make sure that it is sturdy as hell. And then the other one is going to be movable, so it's going to sit somewhere in here, and I'm going to figure out how tall this thing can, how high this thing can get. Give me a sec. That's about how high the jack portion itself can go. It's got a little bit of threading there, so it can get a little bit higher, but as you can see, it's still nice and low. The place is an absolute mess. Hopefully clean up after ourselves tomorrow. And the shop can start looking a little bit more like a workshop and less like a trash yard. And so we're going to have 5 pieces of tube very similar to this going across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for the top one and the bottom one, we're going to have these 2 pieces of angle iron, well, 2 pieces on each one. This is, all the angle iron that we're using is 25 by 25 mil angle iron, and they're just going to sit on the ends of our the things. Come on, English, come back to me. On the ends of each one of these sort of, I'm going to say that they're like dies almost. They're not really, but I'm just going to say that they are. And basically, so we're going to have one on this side, one on this side, and they're going to just hold everything together and hopefully give it a little bit more rigidity. I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to use this for blacksmithing, but I'm not entirely sure, especially because of how long it actually takes to raise the jack. Doesn't take long to put it back down though. Hopefully this will work for the intended use, but hopefully I can get a little bit of use out of it in blacksmithing as well. Also, went to the machinery house while still having a sale. We picked up some Zycrona belts. Oh my god, these things are beautiful. They cut so well. This is, I think, a 40 grit. Where is it? 40 grit, yeah. So, this is a 40 grit belt, and I swear, if you, like, slip on this, it will just eat your hand. It'll just, zoom, it's gone. That's it. But aside from how scary that is to think about, these belts are absolutely legendary. They're so good, and they take off so much material. About 5 seconds on each one of these sides, or probably not even that, like maybe 3 or 4 seconds on each one of these. It just removes everything that you need. It is awesome. It is absolutely awesome. But anyway, that's pretty well where we are at right now when it comes to this jack. Hopefully we can finish it up tomorrow. If not, then I'll continue working on it until it is done. But anyway, I think that pretty well does it. In the sense of that's everything that needs to be said. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great week. Stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers. Hopefully going to be releasing this video, and then I'll be releasing another video tomorrow, and I'll just continue doing that, so like a daily upload until this is done. Unfortunately, I didn't get to actually capture an awful lot of footage, but hopefully I'll get some more footage tomorrow. Yeah, I'm hoping to actually show you guys more of the process. But anyway, thank you. See you. I'm tired. I need to take a shower. Yeah.